All right, man, I'm out in the middle of nowhere. We got a little train tracks here. We got this. This is a museum. They got a caboose out here. Little Falls Railroad, Wells Fargo Express, 1904. Cataract, Wisconsin. Must be the little train in there. No trespassing and loitering on railroad property. That's pretty cool. $392,175 is the number on this. I think you're supposed to call, or it's open on the weekends. That's probably the museum right there. Yep, doll museum. Oh, there's a little train out back there. Playground or something. This is pretty cool. All right, I just thought I'd stop and show you this.